I was trying to put it here, but I wasn't paying attention because I was driving and talking. So I was trying to get it in here, and why won't it go in? So now I'm just laughing because, like, well, why won't my phone play in the damn tape player? God damn it. I want my tape player to play my phone. So I guess I need to upgrade some things. Well, look what we found, a waterfall. We're gonna go down to it. Let's go check it out. Way down there, you see TASHA already. Crossing a bridge, let's go. Oh, little creek. Going down into the cliffs. Crazy, not gonna lie. Crazy stuff. I am in the wet zone. Alright, let's go for a swim. Anybody coming? Can you imagine? Well, we couldn't leave without getting the upper view, folks. Catch the bait. That's right. Let's play catch the bait. You got her. Let's get her. Attack! Wow, a memorial thing for Terry Fox, and it's called, there's a mountain called Mount Terry Fox. Well, this is the one, Mount Terry Fox. Well, this is the mountain, Mount Terry Fox, right here. That's Mount Robson right in front of us. We're gonna stop and check it out. It's the biggest mountain around. Beautiful stuff. Here up north we have ravens, not crows. Look at the size of him, look at the size of his neck. Go get TASHA, buddy. Yeah, she's right over there. He's coming around to get TASHA. Well, if you see behind me, you can see why we're here. There's trails walking everywhere. Look all the way around. It's kind of parks, BC parks, Mount Robson. Biggest mountain in BC, or BC and Alberta, or Canada, I'm not sure. It's just the biggest mountain, that's all I know. Wish the clouds were not covering the top. We'd actually be able to see how big it is, but we can't today, so... Apparently our car took a piss. As we leave, we'll say goodbye to Mr. Raven here. About to get TASHA. Well, we found another waterfall. Overlander Falls. Let's go check it out. Well, I can only help but notice I've been going downhill all this time. So I will have to go back uphill to get uphill as I get eaten by mosquitoes. But we're almost here. I can hear the falls. Wow, we made it down to Overlander Falls. Wow, beautiful Overlander Falls. And if we run down this way, we'll get another shot of it going around the corner. And see what it looks like here. Just falling down another level. Not quite as crazy, but oh, beautiful stuff everywhere. For this beautiful morning. Beautiful cliffside trail system kind of made out of the landscape. We're going uphill now to get back to the car, but at least they give us these roots here from a beautiful tree to make us some stairs. Pretty neat. Let's go. I see in the distance on the other side of the lake is a huge water. From waterfalls to beautiful lakes to mountains, this scenic drive is endless. So we continue our journey through Mount Robson Park and to get the Alberta border, where Joe and TASHA will travel Alberta, continuing our search for something out of nothing. Another beautiful waterfall on the side of the road. Well, that way is Alberta. Somehow we don't want to make it in there yet, so we turn back. We're just gonna check out this little stop here at the end of Mount Robson. Oh, there he is, baby trout, right there in the water. Look at that. Looks like a dragonfly or something. And then look at this over here. It's like a cricket or something. I have no idea. There's our fish. You see him? Yeah, we see him, folks. We got him. Look at that. Beautiful trout. In BC. About to go to Alberta. Finishing our episode with a beautiful trout. Just sitting there. If I wish I had a net, I could almost catch him. He's trapped in the corner. Oh, he's going away. He just flew away. Swam away, folks. This weed said, concrete cannot hold me underground. I'm coming right through. Amazing. Mount Robson Park. That was our experience.